All right. My name is Justin Ren. I'm the associate professor at the Questrom across the street, and I'm also affiliated with ISE. This is a quick summary of a book that Peter and David Germain we put out early this year, and the name is Melting the Ice, and I'll show you what the ice mean. Basically, it's about EV, but particularly it's about how to promote and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. And here we're focusing on charging infrastructure. Now, why do we want to promote EV other than we are running out of gas? Of course, somewhat like related to Rob earlier said, transportation has a, well, here it's about 30% of the CO2 emission. And by the way, I learned that the main thing is deadlier in terms of tracking heat from, yeah. So it is very important with transition from the internal combustion engine to electric vehicle. And the trajectory is good. If you look at the graph on the right, countries are adopting rather quickly, but the base is small, I have to remind you, so that we need to do a lot more. Now, this book is from a series of case studies we did about cities around the world. And actually, I probably can show you what cities are involved. Now, we did LA, and we did Beijing, we did Oslo, you probably can see right here. But we also did small towns like Brookline right here. The idea is to learn from those localities what we can gather and share in terms of promoting EV charging infrastructure. So this graph essentially captures what we think are the key factors, and I'll tell you a few kind of stories or anecdotes. For example, we think both monetary and non-monetary incentives are important, right? Of course, cities like Oslo dole out, or US too, dole out a lot of money for them to buy. But you can also see a lot of clever incentives. For example, LA, some of you already know that they use high occupancy, HOV lane as a kind of, carrot. So if you have that green sticker, you can get into a faster lane, although recent news said it's so congested, the HOV lane is not getting any faster as well. But also, if you look at cities like Beijing and Shanghai, it's kind of heavy-handed. If you want to get a gasoline car, getting to a line, either lottery or just waiting line. Whereas if you want to get an EV, you can get it. You can get license and registration today, right? So, but also we look at say workplace charging, and some of you already felt the pain about BU. We don't have enough EV chargers, but if you look at San Jose in California, it has the highest percentage of workplace chargers. And of course, home charging and public charging are both important factors. So, and I guess it's really just a appetizer. If you, I'm gonna flip back to this slides. This book is freely available on our ISE website. And if you feel like donating some money to us at ISE, you go to Amazon and buy that too. All right, thank you very much.